Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert an MP4 into audio or MP3 in CapCut. So in here, I'm going to add audio into my edits, but I want to extract it from a video. So if you want to do the same, just follow the steps. First, you can just click on the add audio button here at the timeline, and here go with extract. Click on the extract options in here, then find the video that you want to extract it. Click on the video, then click on add, and after that the audio will be extracted here, and you can adjust the volume. You can add audio effects, or you can add fade in or out effects to the audio. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.